Hey, Dr. Style here. Think of your face as a layered structure. If you only tighten the surface, the results look temporary and unnatural. If you reposition the deeper layers, you restore harmony that lasts. That is the foundation of the deep plane facelift. I want to explain what makes this procedure different, how it compares to older techniques, and what you should expect if you are considering it. A deep plane facelift works below the skin and the 𝗲 layer. 𝗲 stands for superficial musculo-aponeurotic system, which is a layer of tissue that supports your face. Traditional 𝗲 facelifts tighten this layer with sutures. Deep plane surgery goes a step further. I release and reposition the 𝗲 itself. This creates a lift that looks smooth, natural, and not pulled. Results tend to last longer than a 𝗲 facelift. Many patients see improvement for 10 years or more. Longevity depends on skin quality, bone structure, lifestyle, and how well you maintain your health. The deep plane approach improves several areas at once. It lifts sagging cheeks, restores definition along the jawline, and smooths jowls. It also softens nasolabial folds and addresses neck bands. This makes it a comprehensive option for facial rejuvenation. Recovery is an important concern. Most patients have swelling and bruising for 2 to 3 weeks. You can usually return to work in 2 weeks, sometimes sooner. A support garment is worn for the first week to reduce swelling. Scars are hidden along the hairline and around the ears. With proper care, they fade well over time. Risks are always part of surgery. With an experienced surgeon, nerve injury is rare. Minor bruising and temporary numbness are more common and usually resolve. I focus on safety and precision to minimize complications. Good candidates are patients in their 40s through 70s with skin laxity, jowls, or sagging cheeks. Older patients in good health can also benefit. During consultation, I review medical history, facial anatomy, and personal goals to confirm candidacy. If you want natural results that last, the deep plane facelift is the gold standard. It restores youthful structure, not only surface tightness. Be well.